Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add reviews to your Shopify store in 2023. Customer reviews are essential for building trust and credibility with potential buyers. By showcasing positive feedbacks and satisfied customers, you can boost sales and increase the confidence of new shoppers. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding reviews to your Shopify store using a popular review app. So, make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by choosing an app review. There are several reviews apps available in the Shopify App Store. You can choose that suits your needs and budgets. Some popular options include like Judge.me or Me and Looks and Utpo. So of course, let's start again by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, make sure to go to the URL section and simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. That should take you to the home screen or main screen of shopify.com. And of course, if you don't know much about Shopify, you can scroll down, read more information about it if you're new, if you're just going to create your account. And if you have an account, of course, you can simply go and click on login into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and click on start free trial. And here you can find the pricing. You can pause the video and see all the pricing here. And if you scroll down, of course, or you click on compare feature plans, here you'll find all the plans. And again, you can stop the video and check it by your own. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account. For you, log into your account if you have one. If you don't, make sure to go and create a new account. So at the moment, I will probably have to create a new store because the last store will be inactive, as you can see here. So skip all. Of course, if you answer those questions, this will help you a lot if you want, as an example, to create an accurate store depending on whatever suits you. As an example, if you have a store of clothes, if you have or some, if you want something specific, if you answer those questions, they will help you like create themes that will meet your criteria and etc. So make sure to answer them if you have time, or you can clearly click on skip all if you don't want to. So as we said before, we would like to choose a review app. And there's a lot of options. As I said, there's Judge.me, there's Deluxe, and there's the Uspo. Then, of course, after you choose whatever suits you, you can simply go and install the review app. So once you selected the review app, you'll have to go to Shopify App Store, go to the select panel, click on Add Apps, and click on Shopify App Store here. Once you do so, of course, you'll find yourself on the Shopify App Store. You'll have to simply install it into your store and follow the instructions or installation structures provided by the app developer. As an example, let's just look for the three options that I told you. So let's start by judge.me and hit the enter button. And as you can see here, we have judge.me products review, judge.me AliExpress video, and checkout comments. For us, of course, as you can see, this is the most rated app with a lot of people rating it. So this normally is going to be the real one. So simply click on it. And as you can see, they have a free plan available. So it's actually paid, but they have a free plan. So you can install it from here. Of course, you can scroll down, read more information about it, see the developer, and see the features that comes with it. And as you can see, the free plan will contain these features. So unlimited products, review requests, photos and videos, review carousel themes, any email reviews, create reviews, SEO snips, and manual social push. But if you want to get their plan, which is awesome plan as they are saying here, you will be able to get the site reviews, all reviews page, Q&A, custom forms, coupons, products groups, cross-shop syndications, group shopping, Google Shopping, and new branding. And as you can see, all charges are billed in USD. Recruiting and users page charges daily every 13 days. You can see all the pricing options if you want to here. And as you can see, you'll find everything that you want. You can simply open it and you'll find everything that you want if you want to. So now, as an example, let's say we want this one, we can simply go and install. At the moment, let me just go and check the other two that I told you about. So they're Deluxe or Lux. And as you can see, we have here Lux products, reviews, and photos. Make sure to avoid any ads app. You'll find an AD circle or square there. Make sure to avoid them. Normally, it will be the first three. So as you can see, for this app, they have paid plans, but you will get a 14 days free trial if you want to try it before even like pay anything. And as you can see, those are the plans that they have in with the features. As you can see, they will find that here. So you can scroll down, read the reviews about us. Of course, that's going to work for the old one also. And the last one is just going to be Utbot or Utpo, sorry. Hit the enter button. And as you can see, this is the one. So Utpo product reviews in the UGC. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to read the features. And again, the free plan available. So we have the free plan with these features, paid plans with those features. You can always click here to see our pricing options and scroll down to read the reviews of people and see what's good for you. As an example, for me, I'm just going to download the Judge one. Sorry, so the judge.me, and I'm going to start with that. Why not? So simply I'll have to hit the install button, and as you can see, I'll have to choose the account and the store that I want to install on it. Once you do so, of course, you'll find yourself right here on this page. So here, you'll simply have to follow the instructions of installing the app. And as you can see, you're agreeing to share personal information with the app with the developer privacy policy before installing. Deleting this app from your store will remove its access and request the removal of customer information if it was collected. You can learn more about that on the data privacy here. And you can always contact the judge.me for support if you have any problems. So here you'll find the privacy details if you want, the permission details. So basically, make sure to read all of that. Once you're done, click on Install App. Once you click on Install App, of course, the app will start installing into your store. Once it did, you will have to simply start the startup. So as you can see, please select language English where you want to install it. As you can see, my current theme, I already have this. For you, you can simply choose your store there. Click on Start Setup. And as you can see, you'll have to enable the app embed into your store, so you'll be able to do it. So click on it, or you can go to your store, as an example, online store here, go to the apps and enable it. Or if you click on enable app embed, they will take you directly to your store and you'll be able to do it from there. So click on next step, as you can see here. So app embed is missing, of course, so we'll have to wait for this until it loads. Once our store is loaded, we'll have to enable it, and then we'll have to go and click on next step. And basically, we'll have to choose and customize basically the review widgets, then collect the reviews from customers, and of course, you will be able to moderate the reviews, display reviews on your store, then of course test and optimize it, and you'll normally be good to go. So here's an example, go to this list panel and make sure to enable it. Once it's enabled, click on save. Once it's saved, go here and click on next step. And simply you'll have to follow those steps, then click on install the widgets. And simply, as we said, just follow the steps from here. So you can do this by your own. It's not going to be like a big of a deal. So let's just even skip the step. And as I said, once you do so, of course, you'll have to customize everything that you want, the reviews on your store, and even collect them from moderators, test everything, and you will be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added customer review to your Shopify store. And that will be it for me. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.